Now I am.
No, that means no.
Yeah, I didn't. I forgot. Bloody
No, I'm
Shauna.
just saying that.
Where should we go? What should we do? What should we do? Where should we go? I turn it around too. What should we do? Where should we go? Where should we go? What should we do? I don't know. I was thinking like what we're doing, and we figure out what we're doing and where we're going. Well, you want to go see him. You could go to my mum.
I'm just kidding. Hey, shit off, bro. I'll get you wet in front of that. I'm good. Aaron. I can't see him, man. I've only got one shot. Yeah, I know. I'm sitting on the phone there, man. I didn't fucking know this.
We could piss about.
We should go to that mental home again.
Mental home again? Again?
Yeah, we went to this mental home.
You want to go to a mental home again? Again, you want to go to a mental home? Again. What did you do?
We just sat down.
You sat down and watched mental people go, oh, I remember, you watched mental people go, I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies.
I don't. Shut up.
Sign in, I do believe in strap-ons.
I'm going to say goodbye.
Emma, I do believe in strap-ons. I do.
You put that then, Emma?
Yeah, it was like I like to think about
Catherine will.
You said it earlier. They were free.
No.
Now I'm bored. Go away.
Sorry, it's my fault for keeping you all late.
You enjoy that? Yeah.
Thank you.
That's right. What again? Next year. What again? Next year. Say. Big more rockets and big more kicks, hopefully. 1,000 something, hopefully.
Haha.
Yeah. See you later, Emma.
Oh,
I think you all like dogs.
oh yeah, I like dogs.
If these are dogs that don't like me, we'll just hit them. If these are dogs that don't like me, do you want it? Probably yes. They probably do that.
You attack me, you die,
I
dog.
think he was striking you.
Oh my god.
He was like, I know, Doggy. I know.